We have just successfully created our account. It's time to start connecting our device to the smartphone. So I'm going to press the button Continue Setup, and I'm going to select for which ear my device is going to be used. If you've only bought one LifeEar, you can choose to use it on your left ear, or depending on which type you have, on your right ear, or you can choose to set up both. For this video, I'm going to set it up straight away for my right ear. So let's select right ear, and it's going to ask me to remove the right ear from the box. So over here, I already have the box half taken out. I can open it up, and then I can take out my device. So here's the device, and then I'm going to follow the instructions in the app, and I'm going to press Next. So the other thing that I need is I need to have the battery in there, and the battery is also included in the box. And if you take it out, you can find one of these batteries which is about this size, and it says we need to remove the tab to activate. So as you can see, there's a small sticker on the battery, and this sticker I can take off. And by taking it off, it gets exposed to the air and starts to activate. And for the best battery life, it's good to allow the battery to air a bit for 1 minute, because then it will last you longer. But if you're impatient like me, you can just press Next, and we're on to the next screen. So again, we need to get our device, which I show you here, and you can open the battery door at the bottom. There's this little lip or label you can pull out, and then the battery door is opened up. And I can start putting in the battery. The battery only goes in one way, and if you don't put it in the right way, it won't close. I've put it in the correct way, so it does close. Let's do the incorrect way, just to give an example. This way, it doesn't close. You can feel the friction coming in. So putting it back in, there we go. It's all up and it's all running, and I go into the app, and I've opened the battery door, I've inserted the battery, and I've closed the door, so I can press Next. So now it's trying to find this device. So it's searching, and yeah, even the iPad knows this device is right here, it's found. So let's press Next. It's going to ask me to pair the device. So first I press the button Next, and then this pop-up shows up asking me, do I want to permanently pair the device with Bluetooth to my smartphone or iPad? And of course I do, so I click Pair. And now it's doing the official pairing, and I can press the button Next. And we're paired with the phone. And that's the simple way of just connecting your device, and you can already start using the basic functionality.